Hello everyone. So today we will learn how we can create shapes using Scratch. So I'm clicking on the Scratch Imagine Program Share link. Here we need to click on Start Creating. And then for drawing any shape, the first thing we have to do is click on the extension button present on the bottom left side. And then select pen. Flag is clicked. So here, as you can see, the event blocks, we call them triggered block as well. They work as an input for a sprite to start a program. I can choose any of the event block for my program, like whenever the green flag is clicked or when space key is pressed, and even I can select any key as per my convenience for my program. Next, we have when this sprite is clicked, when backdrop switches to backdrop 1, when loudness is this, when I receive messages, broadcast and broadcast message and wait. So we have these options. I'm selecting when green flag is clicked. Now we need to click on pen. Select erase all. This will erase every time when your screen is full of drawings, and whenever the green flag is clicked, first thing is it will erase everything from the screen. Next is select pen down. This will help you to draw things on the screen. Now for drawing a square, first of all, please understand this. To draw a square, we know that we have four sides, right? It has motion blocks, and we know that it has four right angles as well. So for that, we need to go to motion blocks, click on move. But now, as I don't want to make a small square, I'll just increase the steps as 100. Move 100 steps, and then I'm going to turn it 90 degree. As we already know that square has four right angles and right angle has 90 degree. So move 100 steps, turn 90 degree. Square has four sides. So what I can do to make my program precise, I can go to control blocks and I can just simply take repeat block. But how many times? Four times, as square has four sides. So I just need to put it here. So let's run the program and see whether the sprite, this cat sprite, is able to draw a square or not. So whenever the green flag is clicked, it will draw a square for me. Now I'm just placing my sprite over here and I'll show you some more changes, interesting changes. Again, go back to the pen commands. Now I'm going to change the pen color by, I'm going to choose this block, change pen color by 10. So this means it automatically start changing the color, okay, by 10. So now I'm going to put it here, and I wanted to change it forever, so I'll be using it. I'll be going to control blocks and I'll put this particular thing in forever. Fine. So now let's see what will happen if I'll go by these line of code. So as you can see, it is drawing a square and it is changing its color. Now let me just stop the program. To make it more clear, I can go to pen commands again, and even I can change the pen size as well. I can set the pen size also, and I can change the pen size as well. So here we have changed pen size and here we have set pen size. So I want to set pen size. I don't want it to change every time. So I just wanted to set pen size to suppose 3. Okay. So now whenever the green flag is clicked, it will draw a square, a prominent square, and it's going to change its color. I hope you like this video. In next video, we'll learn how to create different other shapes. Thanks for watching.